are you? A Doughman? Doey the Doughman!
Catnap?
Damn things. Do you want some friend?
No thanks, I'm not hungry. Our friendship was never real.
Hey, yeah, little one.
Let me see, let me see!
Oh, she's so cute.
Like a small potato.
Why is she crying? Wow, I told you it was a bad idea to split up like that. And who is the stupid one now, huh?
Yeah, you were right.
Even though Papi is no longer here, I will protect the children and this place myself. I'm sorry, I failed you.
Huh?
You make my dough heart melt. I'm gonna act super cute.
Everything that happened with Safe Heaven was terrible, but we have to move on. I understand your anger, but we have to move on.
You don't understand our anger. Now this fucking guy again.
Wow, Doey, still one piece, huh? Haha. The big mean doctor hasn't managed to get you yet. Wait, which one am I talking to? Kevin, right? Yeah, that's Kevin.
Matthew!
Spit him out, now!
Come on, Doey, tell them.
My pleasure to meet you.
Doey! You were supposed to tell them off.
Dude!
But kids, I don't teach you manners like that.
We have Yarnaby. What you guys have?
We got this big guy over there.
Doctor, please think about the kids.
The kids.
Dude, them kids.
My head hurts.
I'm sorry.
What happened?
I'm sorry.
Doey? Ugh, my head.
Pal, I thought you were... I'm so sorry. Please don't hate me. I want to eat you. Eat? No way. Sorry for scaring you. I want to eat it because I am an important person.
Yeah.
You're... All done.
Thank you.
Wow.
Good to see you, kid. Huh?
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. Woo! That would have been a nasty fall. Thanks, goddess, I caught you. Stay here. Hey. I'm sorry. Hey, pal! Doey.
Yeah.
Jack. Matthew. Kevin.
But we have you back now. That's what's important. We can...
Who are you?
Jack, honey, it's me. It's Mommy.
Mommy? It's a little embarrassing. Does this look good on me?
This person did it.
I'll definitely kill you later. Wow, it's a cat. Cute. Thank you, player.
Doey splits and increases for every like.
Maybe you can division?
Doey! Tight. Those were the toughest 9 months of my life. I'm so happy that you look like your mom.
Why do I feel like he is the one that got pregnant?
Oh, it's for me? Smells nice.
Buddy!
My style, yo. Huh?
Matthew, eldest, leader, kind, thoughtful, insecure. Jack, youngest, sweet, curious, mischievous, mournful. Kevin, middle, angry, defensive, vengeful, protective. When one is fully in control, they will morph their body to better fit their personality.
Oh, my pervert needs some attention. Well, well, well.
What's this?
You could have just asked me about it. Daddy will fulfill any of your whims, slutty girl.
Punish me, Daddy.
Haha, that's my girl. But now I will dictate the rules. Naughty girl, you will be punished. So, perverts, now you choose. Punish my pervert. Or punish and then properly f*** her.
Shampoo.
Blow up the factory? Ha ha ha, that's a good one. Wait, you were serious?
We can stay here as long as you'd like. Everyone is in safe haven, so try to relax.
Shut up!
Look who's here.
You said you were bringing some allies. Well, where are they?
Hey, Paul.
I love you.
Hi there, little germ.
I'm the adult here. I shouldn't be crying.
What? No, please don't cry. I'm fine now, see?
You've had to be so strong for everyone. I'm sorry you couldn't be a normal kid.
I'm happy enough. No need to be sad for me. I know Ollie was right about you. Not talking much, I mean... Not like that's a bad thing. A lot of the toys don't talk. If anything, we sort of expected you to, well, talk as much as the other employees, but